I want to tell you about what we got planned for you next month. We got a lot of things because we want to make these classes hit home, give you the things that you need to start off the new year feeling new, feeling renewed, feeling empowered. So, for my special needs family, you're up first, December 3rd, 8 o'clock. And most of these are going to be around 8, 8:30. Okay. So you'll have time to, get the children to bed. Just some of them are during the week. Some of them may be on a Saturday. But you're up first. Special needs family, December 3rd. You're up first. Now, I need you to go ahead, not only because it's December 3rd, so it's not that far away, but also the class size is limited because I'm going to be giving you Reiki for a half hour after we talk about it. And then after you receive the energy, we're going to give you a chance to ask any questions. It's only $25, but you get a full half an hour of Reiki from me. And it's a good chance that I'll end up using my quantum Reiki. So you'll get a chance to get a taste of that.